Are you feeling pulled in two directions? What if those opposing forces are actually your superpower? In the ever-enchanting world of astrology, there exists a peculiar paradox, secret duality that has been whispering to those who listen closely. This astrological enigma has intrigued scholars and lay people alike. It's a cosmic riddle that holds the key to personal growth and transformation. And today we're going to unveil it. Welcome back to our channel, where the mysteries of the cosmos come to life. Today we delve into the fascinating realm of Gemini, the twins, and explore the intriguing question: is duality the secret to their growth? But before we embark on this celestial journey, we invite you to subscribe. Join our cosmic community, and together, let's unravel the secrets of the universe. Gemini, the third sign in the Western zodiac, is symbolized by the twins, Castor and Pollux. These celestial siblings represent the duality inherent in this sign, a recurring theme that adds layers of complexity to the Gemini personality. From May to June, the sun transits through this air sign, imbuing those born under its influence with a unique set of characteristics. At first glance, Geminis may appear as social butterflies, their charm and adaptability making them quick friends with everyone they meet. However, beneath this effervescent exterior lies a more intricate psychological makeup. Geminis often grapple with a fundamental paradox, a constant push and pull between two seemingly opposing forces within their psyche. On one side, they possess a deeply intellectual nature, valuing knowledge, logic, and rational analysis. They're the thinkers of the zodiac, always seeking to understand the why and how of everything. On the other side, they have a profound emotional depth, a well of intuition, feelings, and a hunger for authentic connections. This duality extends to other aspects of their personality as well. Geminis can find themselves torn between the need for connection and the desire for independence, between the comfort of familiarity and the allure of the unknown. So how does one reconcile these seemingly contradictory forces? The answer, according to many astrologers, lies in the acceptance and celebration of this duality. By embracing both the intellectual and emotional sides of their nature, Geminis can achieve a level of personal growth and self-realization that is truly remarkable. This involves acknowledging and integrating both sets of traits, using logic to understand emotions and intuition to guide intellectual pursuits. In doing so, Geminis can tap into a wellspring of creativity, empathy, and wisdom that sets them apart from others. This is the paradoxical path to growth for Gemini, a journey that begins with self-acceptance, nurtures with balance, and blossoms into a unique form of brilliance. Understanding this intricate duality not only helps Geminis navigate their own internal landscape, but also provides a lens through which others can perceive them, fostering deeper connections and appreciation. So, to all the Geminis out there, embrace your inherent duality. It's not a contradiction, it's a compliment. It's the secret to your growth, your brilliance, and your unique journey in this grand cosmic dance. As we conclude this exploration of Gemini's hidden growth potential, we hope we've sparked a sense of wonder and self-reflection. If you're a Gemini, we encourage you to embrace the duality that makes you wonderfully complex. And if you're not, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for those born under this enigmatic sign. Thank you for joining us on this celestial journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to show your support. Your engagement fuels our passion to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos for you. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep an eye on the stars, because they hold the secrets to our growth and evolution.